Hello everyone, welcome back to Inside Edge Labs. As we have already started our new series to discuss all previously asked questions in Power BI PL300 certification exam. So after completion of this particular series, you will have that confidence about how they ask question in Power BI PL300 certification exam and how to solve those questions. So let's try to continue with our next question. So to solve this particular question, they have given you this simple scenario. You need to create a visualization that compares revenue and cost over the time. On the basis of this particular scenario, they have given you this question: which type of the visualization should you use? To solve this particular question, they have given you the options. First one is waterfall chart, second one is stacked area chart, third one is line chart, and fourth one is donut chart. Before making any selection, I want you to understand when to use which chart. So when to use line chart? Whenever you have to display or whenever you have to compare trend of your matrix over the time, that time you always go for the line chart. When to use waterfall chart? Whenever you have to display or whenever you have to compare cumulative up and down or cumulative plus and minus of your matrix, that time we always go for the waterfall chart. When we use stacked area chart? Whenever you have to display part of your matrix with the whole matrix but over the time, that time we always go for the stacked area chart. When to use donut chart? Whenever you have to display percentage distribution of your matrix, that time we always go for donut chart or pie chart. Now in our case, we have to compare two matrix, that is nothing but revenue and second one is cost, but that too over the time. So our correct answer will be line chart. If you found this video helpful, then you can check out other tutorials on our YouTube channel. Make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you with the next question.